Hey, what's going on everybody, it's Anderson Blue, and today I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to draw a Minion character. So this art tutorial was highly requested by you guys, so if you want to see me draw something else, just go ahead and drop it in the comments. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right on to the video. For our first step, we're going to start out by sketching a lowercase letter n. And this shape will be used for Minion's head and body. For our next step, we're going to draw his goggles by drawing an oval. Then we're going to draw a smaller oval right in the middle. So everything looks good so far, so the next thing we're going to draw is the straps for his goggles. And we're going to do this by drawing two lines, just like so. Then we're going to finish up the straps by drawing a curved line. Then you can go ahead and repeat those same steps on the opposite side. When we're done with that, we're going to go back and draw a few more lines for the goggle straps. For our next few steps, we're going to draw the Minion's mouth. We're going to do this by drawing another curved line for his smirk, and then one more curved line to finish up his mouth. So our Minion's looking pretty good so far, but unfortunately it's missing their clothes. So let's do that next. So we're going to draw the Minion's overalls by drawing a straight line and then a curved line on each side. After that, we're going to draw the overall straps. So we're going to do that by drawing two curved lines right near his shoulders. Then we're going to erase the line we don't need, and then we're going to draw an oval for the button. Then after that, you're going to draw a simple slope for his arm. Then you're going to take those same steps and then you're going to repeat them on the opposite side. Now for our last few steps, we're going to draw his hair. Now we're going to do that by drawing a few curved lines on the top of his head. Alright folks, we're at the last step, so let's finish up by drawing the Minion's eye. So we're going to do this by simply drawing an oval just like so. Then we're going to draw another oval right inside of his eye. And then if you want, you can sketch in the eye just so you can give it that pop. And then after that, you should be all done with your Minion drawing. If you found this art tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, it really helps out the channel. So with that being said, here's my finished Minion design. Just a heads up, this was done digitally on one of my graphic design programs. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out some of my other art tutorial videos.